My name is John Wynn. I've been in agriculture all my life. I had never worked in almonds before, so I took it on as a challenge. Golden Empire shelling is designed for approximately 70 million meat pounds. This entire facility has approximately 2,300 horsepower, 1-horse motors to 10-horse motors, and our largest, which are 400 horse, and our power cost runs about $90,000 to $100,000 a month. And we're hoping to offset the majority of those overhead costs by utilizing the sun. The decision to put SunPower solar in was because of the tracker system and lower degradation of the panels themselves, and we're looking at 30+ years of value that we've put into this plant. We wanted to buy something that would last a long time.
My name is Jeff Periera, and I am the owner of SunPower by Sun Solar. I think the main factor for these companies investing in solar is the overall lifespan of these facilities that they're building. These facilities are going to be around for 20, 25, 30 years. Solar is going to pay for itself in 3 or 4 years. It's going to continue to produce energy for 25 or 30 years, and the savings just gets better year after year. You're literally looking at 20 or 30 years of free power. The Helix tracker made this come to fruition, so to speak. We have the smallest footprint, and we're going to produce about 30% more power here than any other company could have offered with anything but SunPower and the Helix tracker system.
Efficiency is paramount in the design of any plant. There is nothing lost from this product. The dirt goes back on the farms. The sticks historically have gone to cogeneration plants. The dairies are our major users for the hulls and shells. There's nothing wasted. And we felt that the sun is available to us, so let's not waste that. I think every farmer is an environmentalist, and I think it's just part of our makeup. We look at what's good for our community and our world, and I think we try to do the best we can for all. And solar fell right into that line of thinking.